What is the main difference between subsonic and supersonic flight?
The behavior of fluids at different speeds.
What is the term used for flight speeds near the speed of sound?
Transonic. Supersonic flight is more complex and requires a foundational understanding. What fluid is primarily studied to understand modern flight?
Air. What complicates the study of transonic speeds?
The complexity of airflow at these speeds.
What phenomenon is mentioned as being easier to understand if it were visible?
The commotion caused by an aircraft in flight.
What invention is said to benefit from understanding airflow?
Streamlining.
How can one cultivate the ability to see the air?
By introducing smoke into the air or watching the flow of water.
What is mentioned as having similar characteristics to air? Water.
What is a common misconception about air when first studying flight?
It feels thin and negligible.
What experience makes people realize that water has substance?
Diving and landing flat. How does the sensation of diving onto water relate to understanding air? Both can exert forces that have to be reckoned with.
What is the approximate mass of a cubic meter of air at ground level?
1.226 kg. Which of the following does not rely on air density for flight? Rocket.
How does air density affect flight?
Higher density makes flight easier.
What happens to flight in a vacuum?
Flight becomes impossible.
Oh. What is the mass of a cubic meter of water compared to air?
800 times more. According to the first law of motion, what will air tend to do if it is still? Remain still. What must be applied to change the state of rest or motion of air according to the second law? A force.
What happens when a force is applied to air, according to the third law of motion?
If you found this helpful, please like and share it with friends preparing for DGCA and ESI exams. Subscribe and hit the bell for more aviation content.